Hello, my name is Billy Dunn. Today is June 1st, 2018. This is the lab exercise for biochemical testing for microbial identification. Just a little background, the purpose of biochemical testing in microbiology is to identify microbes for various metabolic properties of different bacterial species. This form of testing is also less expensive. So what I'll be doing is the methyl red. What I have here, I have two tubes. I have E. coli and Staphylococcus epidermidis. What I did 72 hours ago was I took my original E. coli and Staph epidermidis, and I poured I pipetted some into two tubes, two broths, let them incubate for 72 hours, and then they became turbid. So then I transferred them to two clean, sterile tubes. This is the E. coli, this is the Staph epidermidis. What I'm going to do is add 7 drops to each tube to demonstrate the methyl red. If it turns red or pink, that means that there is bacteria. So I will add 7 drops to each. We'll start with the first. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Okay, so that's 7 drops in each. I'm going to swirl them around a little bit, get it oxygenized. Okay, now if you notice, they're a little bit different in color, slightly. The E. coli is a lighter shade of red. It may not come across on the camera, but the E. coli is a lighter red. Maybe it's not as much bacteria, but there is definitely bacteria in this culture or in this tube. The Staphylococcus epidermidis is a darker red. As you can see, there's also bacteria in this tube as well. The next test that I will be conducting will be the Voges and Proskauer test, which is designed to identify microbes that ferment glucose via the butyrylidol pathway. Also, just a little background on the catalase test that neutralizes the harmful effects of hydrogen peroxide, and it shows the bacteria that lives in the oxygenated environment. I'll be conducting that test as well, but for demonstration purposes, I'm not going to do this one on camera because it will go over the time limit. But the way this test starts is I have two additional E. coli and Staphylococcus empty vials, or pure, I should say, pure vials. And then what I'm going to do is add the Barrett's A reagent first, and then the Barrett's B reagent, which is potassium and hydroxide. Let it sit for 30 minutes and see if it settles, if it separates and turns red like the methyl red test. The red should be at the top, it should be turbid at the bottom, and that would be the Voges and Proskauer test. Okay, so we will set those there. Get those tubes ready. My additional chemicals here. And that concludes my biochemical testing for microbial identification, the methyl red, Vogue's Proscour, and catalyst testing. What I have demonstrated today is the methyl red portion of the test. Today is June 1st, 2018. My name is Billy Dunn. Thank you.